This video is brought to you by Xyro.com. Xyro is a platform or website building tool, which is super easy to use. Using Xyro, you can create your unique looking website or online store without having to know any coding skill or knowledge. Using Xyro, you can create website by selecting free built-in template of your choice and create your website just in few clicks. It is as easy as drag and drop, and within few clicks, your website is created and is ready to get published. Xyro is the most affordable option in the market for you to start building your website and showcase your talent. You can head on to Xyro.com and use promo code TechnoMafia Visuals to get 30% off on all their paid plans. For more details, check the link given in the description below. In this After Effects tutorial, we are going to create this. Here you can see, I have already created the title composition, and also I have created a solid background layer, which I am going to use as background. Here you are free to add image layer, or any video file, as background layer. So without any wait, let's create our title. Let's start with adding the first text layer. Here I am using Montserrat font family, font style to black. Align the text to center. Now let's animate this text layer. In Animate, select Tracking. In Range Selector, we will create keyframes for offset. At start of the timeline, create keyframe for offset, change offset to -100. At 2 seconds, change offset value to 100. Now select the created keyframes, change keyframe assistant to easy ease. Now adjust the speed graph as shown. Perfect. Now for Animator 1, let's add property, position. Now let's adjust position value for x-axis. Here we will set it to near about 250. Now let's add property, opacity. Here set opacity to 0%. Now in Advance, change shape to ramp up. You can see the preview. Perfect. Here our text layer is created. Now let's create solid layer. Here I will name it as shape layer. For shape layer, in Effects and Preset, search for Gradient Ramp. Add it to shape layer. Now here, you can set any color of your choice. We are going to use this layer as background for the text layer. Set ramp scatter value to 500. Here I will change the start and end position of this ramp. Perfect. Now in Effects and Preset, search for Linear Wipe. Add it to the shape layer. Now at start of the timeline, create keyframe for transition completion, change transition value to 100%. Now at 1 second, change completion value to 0%. Change wipe angle to -90 degrees. Now press U to view created keyframes. Now select the created keyframes, change keyframe assistant to easy ease. Now adjust the speed graph as shown. Perfect. You can see the preview. Now let's create duplicate of linear wipe. Press Ctrl+D to create duplicate. For shape layer, press U to view created keyframes. Select both keyframes, move both created keyframes, at distance of 10 frames. Perfect. For second linear wipe. Now we will change wipe angle to 90 degrees. Now let's change the keyframes value. For first keyframes, change completion to 0%. For end keyframe, change completion to 100%. You can see the preview. Perfect. Now let's recompose this layer. I will name it as background shape. Select Move All Attribute to New Composition. Now place the shape layer below the text layer. Press S to bring up scale, unlink the scale, now change Y-axis value. Here we will adjust the scale value according to the text layer. You can see the preview. Here you are free to adjust the scale value and position value for shape layer. Perfect. Select shape layer and text layer. Press P to bring up position. Now adjust the position value for Y-axis as shown. Perfect. Now we will create duplicate of shape layer and text layer. Place it above. Position them below the first text. Perfect. Now let's again create duplicate. Place it above. Position them. Again create duplicate. Place it above. Adjust position. Perfect. All required for text layer and background shape layer is created. Now let's change the text. Perfect. Now let's align the text to center of the frame. Do the same for all text layers. You can see the preview. Here all the background shape layer are same. So we will slightly adjust the scale value for each shape layer, to get a slight variation. For second and fourth shape layer, we will change rotation value. For second background layer, press R to bring up rotation. Change rotation to -180 degrees. Do the same for fourth shape layer. Now we will place the text layers and shape layers at distance of 4 to 5 frames from each other, on timeline. Perfect. Now for background layer. Press S to bring up scale. At 1 second, create keyframe for scale. At start, change scale to 0%. Select the created keyframes, change keyframe assistant to easy ease. Now adjust the speed graph as shown. Now let's see the complete preview. Perfect. Here our title it is created. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, then make sure to like and share this video, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.